Hey guys, what's up? So yeah, it's been a while since I last filmed a video. Sorry about that. Yeah, it's just uh, school, work, you know, get very busy, and but yeah, I got is that too bright in the back? Yeah, that's my window, but couldn't find a better spot. Um, I need to get a haircut, right? Sorry. But I came here to sneeze for you, and got my Q-tips, and I'll try to make it happen. I have the house to myself for like uh, 10 to 15 minutes, so that's why I'll probably just make like a 5-minute video, and then the next video I'll make sure to do all the requests and everything, but I'll make this one a good one. And by the way, like my throat, like I still have a little bit of like a sore throat I've had, so I'll probably just sneeze like nasally, or like maybe like the sniffles, I don't know. Because it hurts my throat like to sneeze. Out mouth, so yeah. Wow, it's been such a long time since I uploaded. Sorry. Wow. It burns, and wow, forgot about that. I haven't done this in a while. Your eyes start to tear, and part of your nose like burns, but it's worth it, alright? Alright. Sorry if I'm talking weird. I just had class before, and I got like no sleep last night, so I'm like tired. And I need like a nap or something after this. Other nostril. Mm. Wow. Oh my god. Uh, okay. Really need to try a nasal sneezes that like hurt my throat a little bit. It's like a cough, like one. Mm. Wow. Whenever I do lately, it's like one sneeze. Like usually, it's like three or multiples. Normally. But yeah. Uh, I went in the bathroom, and there were two of these Q-tips left. So pretty lucky, right? See if the second one gets in more sneezes. Um, wow. Whoa. My shirt is like all wet. I don't know if you could see it. My camera, I don't know if it's HD or not. I mean, it says it was HD when I got it, but it like only when you watch it on YouTube, Whoa. Sorry, I have like no like I don't think there's any napkins, any tissues because my parents still haven't bought everything, and I didn't really get anything like after the storm we had, Sandy. Uh, yeah. So yeah. Uh, they should be home any minute, so I'll try to get like one more in, you know. And let me know if you have any requests too, you know. Comment, like everything, so I know you're watching, and just give me some feedback. You know, I love to hear from you guys. So yeah, just inbox me with a request. I'll do more requests in my next video. hmm I need to stop coughing when induce. What the hell? That was like a cough. Like, why are they coming out? I don't know. Probably because of my throat. I don't know. But it's like I sneeze and then I like don't sneeze. Like, alright, 6.5 minutes. Uh, wow. It always becomes a 10-minute video. You guys are lucky, you know. Even though I haven't come out with one in a while. They're all like 10 minutes, I think. So, you know, I try to give you guys as much, you know. Alright, this will be the last one, so I gotta go. Okay, I'll try it one more. I don't know why that keeps happening. Mm. Mm. Wow. I really don't like sneezing out of my nose like that. Uh, it kind of pops my ears, you know, like when you're going down a hill. Um, I mean, whatever, like, you know, changing elevation in the car, or if you're going like a ride or whatever, like, you know, when your ears like pop. Yeah, I get that when I sneeze out of my nose. So, my God, feels like I just came up from underwater, like swimming, like my nose, like, you know, and if I didn't hold my nose, you know what I mean, like. But it's cool, you know. Uh, yeah. Uh, 7, 8 minutes. Wow. All right. I'm gonna go now, and next video will be better. But I hope you like this one. So just you know, give me requests, and I'll see you pretty soon. You know, you'll see a video from me soon. All right, guys. Have a good one. Peace.